Hi all, welcome to our brand new series for Linux commands. No matter if you're beginner or experienced, this series will cover all commands gradually from basics to advanced. So let's get it started and hands on with some basic commands and we will learn about all these questions. Firstly, we will see how to create empty file in Linux. Secondly, we will how check working directory for us. Th- Third, we will see all files in the directory. And lastly, we will see how we can switch between directories. So without wasting time, let's get to the Linux screen. So friends, this is our Linux terminal. So once you log in with your username and password, you will see this kind of screen. Okay, currently my user is Vagrant and I am on this machine MD01. This is a custom name that I have created for my machines. Okay, so by default, you will always land to the home directory under the user by which user you have logged in. So I have logged in with the Vagrant as a user. So I'm in inside the Vagrant. So let me increase some size so you can better get it. So, to create any file, okay, we will use touch command. Touch, we will write touch and the file name. Let's file name will be test.txt. Okay, so we have created empty test file. Let's see. And to see all the files we are using ls minus l. It will list all the files which are present in Vagrant directory. Okay, for the Vagrant user. So you can see that we have created test.txt file. Okay, this is the file we have created. As we already told that touch command create the empty file. So you can see the size is empty. Okay, so we can we can write anything in this file. Okay, so that's how we will create empty files. If we need to write, okay, uh, we are checking with ls commands, we are checking all files. Now, if I need to check in which directory I am in, okay, so we will use pwd command. Okay, pwd stands for present working directory. So I'm currently inside the Vagrant directory, okay, where I am having these kind of files. Okay, so here I have already created some folders uh, previously. You can see the some files are having starting with D. Okay, just D. So all the files which are starting with D are the folders, or you can say are the directories. We can list, I think, with this command, right? Okay, ls. So that's how. That's how we are having some directories. Okay, so these are the directory. Now let's see if I have to switch to go to the Java directory and check the files. So how I can go on Java folder? Okay, so for this we have a command cd and type the folder name that you or the directory name that you want to go. So cd is stand for change directory. So if you see now the command prompt show me the folder, right? So the Java it is written, and you can check in which directory you are using the pwd command. Now I am in the Java directory. Okay, so the cd commands it's used for changing the directory. So if I need to go back in my original, so I will press two dots with a space in cd. It will relocate to my the previous directory. Okay, let's see a example again. Let's see I go to the Java directory. Now I will go to the logs directory. Okay, now if I press this, it will locate me to the working directory, that is the background. Because when I go to the logs, no, I go like that. Previously, go to the previous directory, that is our vagrant. Okay, then I go inside the log directory. That's how we are changing from one directory to another directory. So I hope you are able to understand how we can list the files in the directory, how to check the files, okay, and how to create the files using touch command, and how to check the present working directory for yourself. So I hope you are now able to do all these things in your minutes. Please try to implement this and comment us if you face any issues or you want any advice from these things. So we will catch up you on the next video. Till then, happy learnings.